See, folks, they think that a lot of people who watch television are really stupid and are going to buy commercials like this one regarding Senator Raphael Warnock and COVID relief checks. Now, quiet on the set, folks, because I want you to listen up and pay attention.
Bad enough, Raphael Warnock helped Biden raise taxes on Georgia families. Worse, Warnock...
He didn't. There were no taxes raised on Georgia families. Not by any stretch of the imagination. You believe that? I got some swampland in Florida to sell you. It's a lie. And the New York Post didn't print that.
allowed our tax dollars to go to COVID relief checks for the...
No, he didn't. The COVID relief checks went to prisons, among other government organizations, hospitals, many different departments, to keep and make sure they're paying their employees during a time when they couldn't be at work, and quite literally the revenue was shut off.
Boston Marathon bomber and hundreds
The
of...
Boston Marathon bomber is in jail. He didn't see any check like that at all. They think that you're stupid, and you're stupid enough to believe it.
Thousands of other convicted murderers and criminals in prison.
Right, in prison. That's the catch. In prison. The prisons got the checks to give to their employees to help them, not criminals.
Warnock spent almost $1 billion in COVID checks going to jailed, hardened criminals.
And that's a lie, 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 because they think you're a fool, fool, fool.
Raphael Warnock, higher taxes, criminal spending.
And the Senate Leadership Organization is responsible for this garbage. The Senate Leadership Fund is what it's called. And if they say they're responsible for the content they're advertising, they ought to be put in jail for putting a garbage out like this. It's not a shred of truth in it at all. Don't believe it. You believe it, you're a fool. Subscribe to Zenny62 and bookmark OaklandNewsNowBlog.com.